Oh, he's fine.
White and black. Black and white crime. That's salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, huh?
Black and white crime.
That's Mr. Wrong Turn number 1.
There you go.
The fucking tow truck driver. All right, y'all be good out there, man. We through. All I needed was a few minutes. Be safe out there, because I know you out there wilding. You? Talking about who? You. Okay, YouTube. Welcome back. Thank y'all guys for tuning in. Today we got a 2015 Chrysler 200 that needs a headlight bulb replaced. So we're going to change this headlight replace. We're going to replace this headlight. It's not too bad of a job. So come on and ride with me and let's get it done. Bring y'all guys down here where you can see something, okay? First thing you're going to do is this box you see right here. It's got a flat surface on it like for a screwdriver. Okay, take that down like that. Got a light up in there. Now, you guys can kind of see the headlight right there. See it right there? And then you just take and I'm gonna set you back just a tad here. Reach your hand up in here. Got that cup, that I call it a cup. And then the tricky part is right up in here. You have a clip on the headlight. Okay? Now that thing is tricky, okay? Have to reach in there. And this has been done with the vehicle still on the ground, okay? So you have a clip up in there, and you have to move that clip and then slide the light out. And it's a LED light. Okay, guys, I'm back. The bulb looks like this. McDonald's fish or something. Combo, you hear me? I was just talking to my wife. She's gonna get me a little bit sandwich or something. Eat very little red meat. You know, OG like myself, we cut down on red meat. We try to eat a little different than what some of you younger folks do these days. And you look up in there, it goes right up in that slot. And all you have to do when it goes in there, you turn it. Line these clips up right here. And you turn it, and you put it back in the same way. Put it in, turn it, slide your connector up, and that's it. That's how you change a light bulb in a 2015 Chrysler 200. Once again, guys, subscribe, like, and share. Thank y'all for tuning in. Till next time, OG Triple out.